Welcome to our channel. If you received an employer virtual card and need to activate it online, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your card for business expenses and company purchases. Step 1. Locate the activation instructions provided by your employer or the card issuer. These are typically sent via email or included in your employee onboarding materials. Step 2. Open a web browser and navigate to the virtual card activation website. The URL should be provided in your welcome email or activation instructions from your employer. Step 3. On the activation page, look for a Register or Activate Card button. Click on it to begin the card setup process. Step 4. Enter your virtual card number, which should be provided in your welcome email or available through your employer's expense management portal. This is typically a 16-digit number. Step 5. Provide your personal information for verification, including your employee ID, email address, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number as required by your company's policy. Step 6. Create login credentials for your virtual card account by choosing a unique username and a strong password. Follow any password requirements displayed on the screen, such as minimum length and special characters. Step 7. Set up additional security features if offered, such as transaction alerts, spending limits, or two-factor authentication. These features help monitor card usage and prevent unauthorized transactions. Step 8. Review and accept the cardholder agreement and company expense policy. Submit your activation request and wait for confirmation. Your employer virtual card is now active and ready for approved business purchases. Add it to your digital wallet or save the card details in a secure location. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.